video inspection, the Crest 26-18 by 18 or 1826 18 deep. It has 6 generators, 40 kilohertz. We have the manual, the full original manual with this equipment, set up with wash, rinse, secondary rinse, and a dryer. We'll open all the doors for you. Look inside first, and you can see the bottom of the tank. And there's the ultrasonics and the overwash, spray rinse. We'll go to the next one. You can see the ultrasonics washing and moving. There's the overflow over here. This also has a cascading overflow from DI water, clear water, to the secondary water rinse, and then overflow into the recycle tanks. We have dryer, and it's currently set at 160 degrees, 170 degrees, fully operational. And the controls, as you can see, controls are all on. That's the ultrasonics. That's the wash. That's the pump for the cycle wash. Okay.
You can see the lights are on there now.
And their lights, all the lights are on. These are all 500 watt generators. I'm going to do a quick walk around the back. All the doors and cabinets in excellent condition. Filters to be remaining. And you see the back of the generators. This table that also holds the generators that will be included.
This is a Crest unit, model number OCJ-1826 or 1826. We have 3 tanks here plus a dryer. Here's the Sparger works. There's the heater and ultrasonic. And this is the second tank, ultrasonic. And then the dryer is operating already. Generators. The drain here is not connected to anything. The fill valve is connected. Pump down here looks like it has a leaky seal in it. The dryer is not vented, it just goes to the shop atmosphere. I'll be doing testing in a little while.